Hello สบายดีมื้อนี้เดี๋ยวเด็กน้อยไปโรงเรียนเดี๋ยวมื้อนี้สิท้าให้เบิ่งว่าเด็กน้อยเขาไปโรงเรียนจังไดอยู่ที่อเมริกาเนาะ
They are students in some of our various leadership classes. My name is Mrs. Barres. I am the activities director at Clovis East, and you can find me in the activities office. If you have any questions, we can help you, or we can find someone that can help you. On the first day of school,
down at the schoolyard, tether the ball down at the schoolyard, jump rope, we're broken, running fast down at the schoolyard. Don't you be last, chains, weights, growing pains. We all remember all together down at the schoolyard, baby. Down at the schoolyard, ooh, ooh. Stop! Jump the line, I shuffle on the waffle and I'm feeling fine. I live it like I feel it when I turn the key. Come get on the swing so you can marry me. Hey, 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 look what I found. I want to get to know your name. Hey, 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 this is our town. No rules and the party's never fade. Hey, 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 look what I found. You move in all the right ways. Yeah, 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 we're getting down, down, down at the schoolyard. LOVE, hot like a heat wave. They're turning it